Good morning, everyone. Today, we're discussing Spot the Fake News Internet Investigator. In our digital age, being able to identify fake news is more important than ever. Let's start by defining what fake news is. Navya, would you like to begin? Good morning. Fake news refers to false or misleading information presented as news, often to manipulate public opinion or generate clicks. It can be spread through social media, websites, or even traditional media, and it's essential for us to be able to spot it. Some common characteristics include sensational headlines that provoke strong emotions, lack of credible sources, and poorly written content with spelling or grammatical errors. Fake news often presents information that seems too outrageous or extreme to be true. Some common characteristics include sensational headlines that provoke strong emotions, lack of credible sources, and poorly written content with spelling or grammatical errors. Fake news often presents information that seems too outrageous or extreme to be true. Very insightful, Purav. Those red flags can help in identifying misinformation. Bhumika, why do you think fake news has such a significant impact on society?
Fake news can have serious consequences. It can create confusion, spread fear, and contribute to misinformation about important issues like health, politics, and social justice. When people believe in fake news, it can lead to misguided actions or beliefs, ultimately harming society as a whole.
Excellent point, Bhumika. The societal implications of fake news are indeed serious. Harsh, how can individuals verify the information they come across to avoid falling for fake news?
There are several strategies individuals can use to verify information. First, check the source. Credible news organizations are more likely to provide accurate information. Look for citations and references in the article. Additionally, using fact-checking websites like Snopes or factcheck.org can help confirm the validity of claims.
Great suggestions, Harsh. Fact-checking is an effective way to combat misinformation. Navya, what role do social media platforms play in the spread of fake news? Social media platforms can contribute to the spread of fake news because they allow for rapid sharing and reposting of content. Algorithms often prioritize sensational stories, which can amplify misinformation. However, many platforms are now implementing measures to flag or limit the spread of false information. Very true, Navya. Social media can be a double-edged sword. Purav, are there any tools or apps that can assist users in spotting fake news?
Yes, there are several tools available, such as browser extensions like NewsGuard, which rates the credibility of websites, and extensions like Hoaxy, which can visualize how misinformation spreads. Using these tools can help users make informed decisions about the information they consume.
Excellent resources, Purav. Technology can certainly aid in our investigation of information. Bhumika, how can we promote media literacy among our peers to combat fake news? We can promote media literacy by organizing workshops or discussions on critical thinking and evaluating sources. Sharing resources on how to spot fake news through school newsletters or social media can also help raise awareness. Educating our peers on the importance of checking facts is essential. Great initiatives, Bhumika. Education and awareness are key to combating fake news. Harsh, what final thoughts do you have on the responsibility of individuals in addressing fake news?
Each of us has a responsibility to be discerning consumers of information. We should cultivate a habit of questioning the information we encounter, verifying sources, and thinking critically about what we share. By doing so, we contribute to a more informed society.
Very well said, Harsh. Each of us plays a role in promoting accurate information. Let's wrap up with some actionable advice. What would each of you say to encourage your peers to be vigilant against fake news?
I'd say, always verify before you share. Don't contribute to the spread of misinformation.
I'd encourage them to utilize fact-checking tools and resources. They can make a big difference. Dot.
Thank you all for such an engaging and informative discussion. Identifying and combating fake news is vital in our digital age, and the tips you have shared will help everyone become more discerning consumers of information. Let's continue to support each other in fostering a more informed community.